The horse is a domesticated, one-toed, hoofed mammal. It belongs to the taxonomic family Equidae and is one of two extant subspecies of Equus ferus. The dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white striped coats. There are 3 living species: the Gravy's zebra, plains zebra, and the mountain zebra. Cows are part of the Bovidae family, also known as cattle. Cattle refers to a whole gang of different horned and hoofed mammals including yaks and bison. The white tiger or bleached tiger is a leucistic pigmentation variant of the mainland tiger. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal belonging to the genus Giraffa. It is the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant on Earth. Sheep or domestic sheep are domesticated, ruminant mammals typically kept as livestock. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as livestock. It was domesticated from the wild goat of Southwest Asia and Eastern Europe. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to Rhino, is a member of any of the 5 extant species of odd-toed ungulates in the family Rhinocerotidae. The giant panda is a bear species endemic to China. It is characterized by its bold black and white coat and rotund body. Sahiwal cattle is a breed of zebu cow, named after an area in the Punjab, Pakistan. Zebras share the genus Equus with horses and asses, the 3 groups being the only living members of the family Equidae.